This is why you should always measure your doors. That one right there is a 14.2 by 14. That one over there is a 14.2 by 14. So I get to the job today and the doors are back here in this trailer. The hardware boxes, all the tracks and everything. And the first thing I see, 12.2 by 14. And I actually measured the sections just to make sure, and they are 12.2 by 14s. I did not bring my section stretcher today. I can't make these 12s work in that 14. So yeah, someone's gonna be very upset. Always bust out the tape measure. I'm not sure what happened here. Wow, someone's gonna have to make a very hard phone call. 14 feet, dang.